Buenos dias and hello. Today we are on quite an adventure. We're going to find a volcano. At least that's the plan. Now there are a few things that are probably going to prevent us from getting to that volcano, but it's not going to stop us from trying. Today we are taking our motorbike. Look at this beautiful thing. A Chinese 125cc motorbike. You couldn't ask for a better ride out on these dirt roads going through the jungle. It's kind of like bringing a pillow to a knife fight, but hopefully we can come out on top. The plan is to go up into the jungle here. There's a dirt road that's supposed to lead about 80% of the way, and the rest is a hike. I was told that it would be an all-day trip, so I brought food, I brought water, I brought myself. Hopefully that's enough. Let's go see if we can get to this volcano or if we're gonna have to turn back. Either way, it's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, we've just started the trip, but I wanted to show you down below here, this little village, that's Salento. That's where I'm staying for the night. It's a really popular place to stay, kind of for tourists. You have a lot of activities, a lot of hikes, you can do mountain biking, a lot of different things that you can do in this area. So that city, that little town down there is full of tourists looking to adventure up and get into these mountains. Now, I haven't met anyone who's doing the volcano, at least not from here. So I'm doing it solo, I'm doing it by myself, and we'll see how it goes. All right, we've been riding for over an hour now, and we're going higher and higher up into these mountain ranges. The road that I'm on, I don't actually know how far it's going to go up into where hopefully the volcano is, but on the Google Maps, it looks like it's quite far away. So I think it'll be maybe at least a couple more hours of going up. That, or this road is going to loop back around and take me back down into the city. I saw that was another option on the map. Hopefully we can make it up as high as we can. I'm definitely starting to feel the altitude. The air is a little bit thinner. It's a little bit colder, but I brought my jacket, I brought pants, I brought everything warm because I knew this was going to happen. But wow, it's absolutely beautiful. Just look at these mountain ranges. Super stunning. But we've got a lot to go, a lot more riding. My little pillow is doing all right. Let's see if we can make it. You guys have some very nice bikes.
Oh, thank you.
Where are you from?
Colombia.
Colombia? Donde? Where?
Bogota.
Bogota.
And you?
Austria.
You're from Austria? Okay, I'm from Canada.
Oh,
Nice.
Yeah, I've been taking this bike all over Colombia.
Oh man.
1 month so far.
And you had your things in that backpack?
I have one more bag in the hostel.
Ah, okay.
One more bag. Where are you guys going today?
Tatacoa Desert.
The Tatacoa Desert?
Yeah.
This way?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
This goes to the Tatacoa Desert?
Everything goes to the Tatacoa Desert.
There is a saying that all the roads go to Rome.
Yeah, okay.
So,
We go to Ibagué and then south.
So how high up does this road go? You know how high up it goes?
200 meters more.
200 meters more?
No. 50.
Okay.
Yeah, we're almost on the
Is there a way that goes towards the volcano from here?
Which volcano?
The Volcano del Ruiz.
Volcano El Machin is over there.
Yeah, okay.
It doesn't run?
Hmm?
Okay.
Yeah.
This is a very big mess of volcanoes and ice peaks.
Okay.
So the Nevado del Ruiz, Nevado Santa Isabel, Nevado del Quindío, Nevado del Tolima,
Okay.
and that's it. And Nevado del Ruiz is also a volcano.
Yeah.
And there is another one here, it's called sorry.
No, it's okay.
Can you show him on the map the small farmer living close to the volcano?
No, no, no.
No?
You are very confused. They live inside of the volcano.
There's a farmer that lives in the volcano.
Yeah. El Machin.
El Machin?
Yeah. El Machin.
Okay.
This is one of the dangerous, I may say, is the dangerous volcano that Colombia has.
Ah, okay.
And the reason is because where it's located. And if something happens, there are like 3 or 4 cities that get involved with the
Wow.
issue. Machin. And you can go and you can ride the bike inside of the what is the crater.
The crater, yeah.
Yeah.
And so where is that? This way?
You go this way like 1 hour and a half, something like that,
Okay.
and you get to Toche.
Doce.
And you ask them where to go to Machin. So we are here,
Mm-hmm.
and then you cross over the other valley, and this is the most beautiful valley here in Colombia with the palm
trees?
wax trees. You came from Toche, and you keep in this direction. We are going to take the green one. You don't.
Okay.
And you go here,
So you don't cross the river?
and here is the machine.
Okay.
It's like 5 kilometers ahead, and the entrance is on the left side.
Okay, okay.
Okay, and you go up there. It's so nice. There are some family there. They can offer you meal, something to eat for the day.
Oh, wow, perfect.
Yeah.
Awesome. What was your name? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Jorge.
Jorge.
Martin, nice to meet you.
Martin, nice to meet you guys.
And you?
Evan.
Evan.
Yeah.
And why do you choose that one, man?
Because it's cheap.
Oh, come on.
I'm a poor traveler.
Ah, come on.
I don't have the money for these bikes.
When you have it, you call me, and I help you to do some trips.
Jorge Hernan. Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much.
Evan.
Evan. Those guys are heading off on their own adventure. They gave me some fantastic advice about where to go. I'm going to this volcano called El Machin, which I think is going to be very, very fascinating. But right now I'm in this beautiful valley. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me, the wind is very high. But there's just palm trees up at high altitude. Hey, look how beautiful. It's all so beautiful up here. It'll be, I think he said it'll be about an hour to Toche, and then from Toche I take the left road to El Machin, the volcano where I should be able to explore around inside the crater with the motorbike. I'm very excited, let's see. It's just incredibly beautiful on this whole part of the drive that we're going up to the volcano. The guy that helped us earlier, he said that this was one of the most beautiful parts of Colombia that he does motorbike tours on. And I can see why. Like, look at that, just the palm trees in this high valley. Really, really pretty. Also, if you watched the Nepal series that I made, we're back on the Snickers grind. You can't go wrong with having Snickers here. I'd never eat these at home, but when you're doing adventures, you need Snickers, okay? Not sponsored, obviously. I have like 700 subscribers, so obviously I'm not sponsored by Snickers, but you gotta enjoy them. ¿Dónde está el Machin? ¿Aquí? ¿Solo?
Ahí sube, ahí sale el letrero.
Ok, muchas gracias. I think we might have took a wrong turn. We're just at some random house on a hill. Hola. Is that a machine? Volcano? No? This way? Let me call. El Machin? Machine? I think, yeah. This is really, really beautiful, but I'm, oh, hey guys. Hello. I think they think I have food or something. We're just at a random farm in the middle of this beautiful field. There's a guy down there, but I don't know. I think I took a wrong turn. Hey buddies. Okay, here he's coming. Buenos dias. El Machin, no? El Machin? Aquí? This is the machine? Cráter, this is the crater. Ah, okay. Me llamo Ivan.
Genaro.
Genaro? Nice to meet you. Yeah, I came to mira el Machin.
Sí, señor.
Sí.
Y las fumarolas están arriba.
Oh, sorry, buddy. You go aquí?
Allá.
On a moto?
Sí.
No, walk. ¿Dónde está la entrada?
Aquí a pasar por allí por el pie de la palma.
Aquí?
Y ahí sí.
Entrada, walk all the way to the top? Ah, perfect. Wow, this is very cool. Can I see the casa? Mira tu casa. This is a beautiful little like farmhouse town in the middle of this crater, and the guy's gonna take me around and show me. Look at this. Hola, pero. Hola. Wow. ¿Cuántos años aquí?
Hartos.
Todo vivo. Wow.
Regular, sí.
Wow. This is
Sí, señor.
es la cocina.
La cocina.
¿Tienes come?
No está hoy la gente.
Oh wow. Very cool. Is this sopa?
Agua caliente.
Ah, agua caliente.
Sí, señor.
Wow. Oh, you have a fridge. Fancy. Perfecto. Cool. ¿Tú vives aquí solo?
No, señor. Hoy que la gente está por allá en el pueblo.
Ah, ok.
Sí, señor.
Hola, pero. ¿Cómo te llamas, pero? Hola. Hello.
El perro sí es.
Oh, this is muy bonita. El machine is muy bonita, ¿sí?
Sí, señor.
Wow. Very nice. Is this a hotel? Hotel?
Hola.
Feliz Navidad?
La feliz Navidad.
Sí. Wow. And this is your house?
Sí, esas son
¿Casa?
las piezas.
Wow. And the horses? This is very cool. Very, very cool. Okay, perfecto. Now I go to the top. ¿Está bien? ¿Es peligroso o seguro? Sí, okay. And you go right up to the top up there?
Va a salir donde están las palmas arriba.
Ah, okay. And when I come back, Pago va a comer, or no sé.
Cuando baje, pues le podría vender aguapanela con queso.
Okay.
¿Sí?
¿Por qué no?
Mientras que va y todo eso, se prepara.
Perfecto.
Bueno,
Okay. Muchas
bueno,
gracias.
Bueno, señor. Bueno.
See you later.
Bueno, señor.
Okay, so over here?
Por ahí.
Okay. All right, let's walk to the top of the volcano crater. Uh-oh, I busted out a quick snack. Having some chips and the whole farm came over. Oh, they're all coming. Hey, buddy. Oh my God. I've got ducks on me. The whole farm is coming to get some snacks. I don't have enough for all of you guys. Okay, maybe I have a little. I'll give some to the ducks first. Oh God, even the goat. I'm out, guys. I don't have enough for you all, okay? Maybe the dog here. Okay, okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, the chickens are coming too. Everybody, even the little one. The little dog that looks like Yoda. I'm sorry guys, I didn't bring enough. Now they're fighting over it. I haven't even given you anything. Okay, a little more. I'll give a little more. Oh God, I really shouldn't be feeding these random animals. Hey buddy, what's your name? This guy, you look like a president. This guy looks like George Washington. All right, I hope they don't follow me up the hike. Okay guys, no more snacks. Snack time is over. Oh God, what did I start? All right guys, we're all out. Sorry. Time to go hike to the top of this crater in El Machin volcano. Hola. He said that there's some sort of trail up this way, so we'll have to go check it out. I'm not chasing you, buddy, don't worry. I think I'm scaring this goat a little bit. All right, it looks like the trail is just ahead here, or maybe it's just some random jungle, but it looks like it goes up to the top of the crater, so we'll be able to hopefully get up there and see a whole view of what's around this old volcano. The cardio's not great, but we gotta make do with what we got. Of anywhere I've been so far, this place would probably be a great opportunity to see some wildlife, because there's almost nobody up here. And I don't think many people hike here, so the wildlife is probably a lot more visible. Whew. Really cool. Maybe we can see a sloth or something. I'll keep an eye out. We're going up and up and up through real jungle. At least there's a pathway, but it's still, wow. We're at high altitude too, and I think this is maybe gonna be up to almost 3,000 meters by the time we're at the top. So yeah, maybe actually at 3,000 you don't see too many animals, but I'm keeping my eye out. Solo in the jungle is always a thrilling experience. Being all by yourself, out in the middle of nowhere. Wow. I hope I get a chance to see some animals, but I hope that they aren't very big. I don't think I want to see anything bigger than a sloth. I don't know if there's like pumas out here or anything like that, but it is the middle of the day. I'm sure we'll be fine. We might have a small problem, but there are some hornets or bees circling around just ahead of me there. I don't want it to be a nest. I don't know if there's hornets' nests up here, but they are just circling right here. You won't be able to see them because the camera won't pick it up, but let me go see. We'll venture through. Oh no, there they are. I don't know if you can hear that. I vote we just walk right by. If we get stung, I blame it on you guys. And the Darwin Award goes to me as we walk by. Oh, it looks like a hornet's nest. Okay, oh, they're flying over my head. Oh, okay. All right. They gave me the warning buzz. They fly over my head, but no stinging. All right. Why is that the scariest part of this hike? Oh, just a little more. Ah, wow. Guys, I think this is still a little bit active. There's holes in the ground with smoke coming out of it. This is still an active volcano. This is quite dangerous. Look, there's holes all along here. You can see, wow, this is very hot. See smoke coming out of these holes. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. There's a bigger one over here, let me show you. Yeah, and the ground is hot. Yeah, look down here. Maybe you can see better there. Smoke coming out of the side of the hill here. Smells like sulfur. See the holes where it's coming out of? The guy that I met while motorbiking, he did tell me that this was one of the most dangerous volcanoes in the area. But he said it was dangerous because if it exploded, it would destroy many towns. He didn't really tell me that it was currently smoking as I climb up it, but we're already here, so we might as well keep going. You know, I think this might be the top. You can see the little house down there. See these beautiful mountain ranges all around. Wow, incredible. Look, we have another hole right here that's steaming that you might be able to see a little bit better. Right through there, down in that hole, hot air and smoke is coming out of the ground. Ah, here's another really deep hole. Wow. As soon as I put my hand in there, it gets really hot. Very hot temperature. And there's the little house down there with my motorbike hanging out. This is really, really cool. I think this is pretty much the top too, so we'll just be from here. All right, well that should be good for exploring up here. Really cool to see. You can see all the mountain ranges around and behind me. But now we're gonna go down and get some, maybe we'll have some food with our new friend. I asked him if there was some sort of food that I could buy from him, or maybe he was making something. But if not, that's okay. I have some snacks and some gifts. Maybe I can share some with him. But let's go down there. Let's go see what he's up to. Okay, time to run by the little hornet's nest. Let's try to get by quickly. Oh, they're buzzing over my head. Hey, buddies. Good to see you again. Please just buzz over my head. I'm very scared. You're doing your job well. I see our new friend's house. Hola.
Sí, señor.
Oh, está bonita. Sí. Tranquilo.
Sí. Calmadito. Está muy...
Sí, claro. Sí, mi español es malo, lo siento. Disculpe.
Que le alcanzo a entender, otras no. Pero ahí vamos, ¿cierto?
Ah,
Ahí vamos extendiéndole.
wow. Por agua caliente.
Agua caliente.
Ah, sí, té aromática.
Sí, señor.
Sí, wow.
Ahí ve que hacemos de hierbabuena, ¿no entiende?
Ah, sí, herba buena, yeah, like
Sí.
peppermint or something like this. Okay, entiendo.
La hierbabuena.
Aquí, you grow it here.
Sí.
Aquí. Ah, is this cilantro?
Cilantro.
Cilantro. ¿Está bien? ¿Yo como aquí?
Sí.
Sí, sí.
¿Por qué no?
¿Tú te gusta Snickers? Snickers? Chocolate? You like? ¿Te gusta?
Ah, bueno. Muchas gracias.
Para tú, sí.
Bueno, señor.
¿Te gusta?
Ajá.
Sí.
Esto sí.
Some snacks from Salento. Salento.
¿En Salento?
From Salento, sí.
¿Hoy se vino de allá?
Sí. Y a mi moto. Yeah. It's like, no?
A ver. Comemos galletas. Queso, a ver. Probar.
Para aquí.
Ah.
Sí. ¿Tú animales?
Mm.
Wow. Some homemade cheese. Está bien, todo bien. Look at this. Perfecto. This guy finds it hilarious. I love it. Some nice fresh cheese.
Katia, a ver cómo le parece.
This is a big piece of cheese. Perfecto. And what is this? Canela? ¿Eso?
¿Qué?
¿Qué es eso?
Agua de panela. Nosotros acá la llamamos agua de panela.
Ah, okay. It's like sweet. Gee, okay, perfect. Gracias. I normally don't eat a lot of cheese, and he gave me the most ginormous block of cheese I think I've ever seen. What do? Do I tell him that I don't eat cheese, or do I just suffer and eat the whole thing? Oh, what would you do in this situation? That is the most massive block of cheese I think I've ever seen. And I really don't want to eat it. Should I give it to the dogs? I don't know. No necesito queso. No. Es mucho para mí.
Ah, bueno.
Muchas gracias, muchas
Bueno,
gracias.
Bueno, Ale.
Sí, muy bueno. Voy a Salento ahora.
Bueno.
Sí,
Bueno,
sí,
señor.
sí. Muchas gracias para mirar tu casa.
Bueno, señor, no a usted que haya venido por acá y
Sí.
a conocer. Todo.
Perfecto. Muchas gracias. Ciao. Well, it's been another incredible day of adventure here in Colombia. I'm in the crater of El Machin, and I would highly recommend it if you get a chance to come out here, close to Salento, just a few hour ride on the motorbike away. All right, but now we have to get back. We have to get back to Salento, which should take us a couple hours.